Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today I'm going to share a recipe for Rajma or red kidney beans. So let's get started. I'm going to use fresh kidney beans. I won't be using canned ones. So I have here 2-pound bag of kidney beans. I'm going to use about 1 pound or half of the bag. Give your kidney beans a good rinse and soak them overnight or possibly for at least 2 to 3 hours. I soaked mine overnight. Next morning, drain your kidney beans and add them to a pressure cooker. I like to use pressure cooker, it's much faster. Then add about 5 cups of water in there. I'm going to just add salt, so I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of salt in there. Cover your pressure cooker, let it cook on high till the first whistle, and then after that turn it to medium and let it cook for about 20 minutes. After the 20 minutes, this is what they look like. They are done. Now we're going to go ahead and start making the tadka. So set those aside. I have here about 1/3 of a cup of oil, and to that I added 1 chopped onion. Now add 1 teaspoon of ginger, 1 teaspoon of garlic, and about a tablespoon of green chilies. Mine were frozen, so I added that first. Once they are lightly golden, add your tomatoes. I'm adding 2 chopped tomatoes here, and then add a little bit of water to cook the tomatoes down. I'll have everything listed down below, so don't worry about the measurements. Then add your spices. So I'm going to add turmeric, red chili powder, chili flakes, and coriander. Don't add any extra salt at this point. Once your masala is ready, after a few minutes, it should look like that. Then add your kidney beans in there. Mix them well, but with a light hand, and then add 1 glass of water. You can add more or less according to your liking. Once it comes to a boil, lower the flame to a medium high and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. At this point, add a little bit more salt if you think it needs more. I added half a teaspoon more. And after about 5 minutes, I added a little bit cilantro and some garam masala, and I turned the flame off because the beans are now ready. You can serve them with naan or roti, but I'm going to serve them today with some boiled white rice, and for a little extra protein I made some chicken chapli kebabs as well. So hopefully this recipe was helpful. If you like what you see, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for many more easy to follow recipes. Thanks again for watching.